Assalamualaikum. Today we will explain to you about electromagnetic flow meter. Okay, first of all, I will explain to you about principle of magnetic flow meter based on Faraday's law. Magnetic flow meters works based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induce. According to principle, when a conductive medium passes through a magnetic field, as you can see, the magnetic field is downwards and a voltage is generated which is proportional to the velocity. You can see the picture of the medium, the density of the magnetic field, and the length of the conductor. In magnetic flow meter, a current is applied to wire coil. This is wire coil mounted within or outside the meter body to generate a magnetic field. This is a magnetic field. The liquid flowing through the liquid acts as the conductor and they induce a voltage which is proportional to the average flow velocity.
Hello everyone. Now I will explain to you about electromagnetic flow meters formula. Electromagnetic flow meter formulas use Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction for making a flow measurement. Faraday's law states that whenever a conductor of length moves with a velocity perpendicular to a magnetic field, B and EMF is inducted in a manually perpendicular direction which is given by E equal to BLV. Okay, now from this picture, I will explain to you more detail about electromagnetic flow meter formula. From the Faraday law that I have mentioned earlier, we will got the first equation which is E is equal to BL, where B is magnetic flux density, L is length of conductor, and V is velocity of the conductor. The second equation is from volume flow rate. The formula is Q equal pi d squared over 4 times V, where V is average velocity of flow, and in this case V also is known as conductor. Now we look at equation 1. If we rearrange the equation 1, we will get that V is equal to E over BL. Next, when we substitute V from equation 1 into the equation 2, we got Q is equal to pi d squared E over 4BL. This can be simplified by Q is equal to KE, where K is a meter constant. Thus, the volume flow rate is proportional to the induced EMF. In practical application, we have to enter the meter constant, which is K value in magnetic flow meter, which is available in vendor catalog.
Assalamualaikum, and I will explain about the limitations of electromagnetic flow meter. Every product or every object has their own limitation. For electromagnetic flow meters, the substance being measured must be conductive. Therefore, it can be employed for metering the flow rate of gases and steam, petroleum products, and similar liquids having very low conductivity. Next, it is very expensive device. In addition, as the meter always measures in volume rate, the volume of any suspended matter in the liquid will be included. The pipe must be run full in case regulating valves are installed upstream the meter. Next, I will explain about the application of electromagnetic flow meter. For magnetic flow meter common applications, turbine flow meters are widely used for corrosive, dirty, and slurry-like liquids. Typical applications include wastewater applications or any dirty liquid which is conductive or water-based, large water flows. Next, pulp and paper industry, acid flows or other highly corrosive liquids, abrasive fluids such as mining or slurries, and pulp stock. That's all from us. I'm Syukri.
And I'm Alham.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.
Bye.